One day, a compassionate woman noticed a child without shoes at school and decided to buy him a pair, not knowing that her act of kindness would soon be recognized by the entire school community. As days passed, the child wore the shoes, proudly sparking joy not only in himself but also among his classmates who admired the kindness shown to him. In a touching ceremony, the school decided to honor her for her generosity, celebrating the impact her simple gesture had made on the lives of the students. Overwhelmed with emotion, she stood before the crowd, realizing that her small act of purchasing shoes had sparked a wave of kindness throughout the school, uniting everyone. The kindness didn't stop there. Inspired by her example, the students began organizing their own initiatives to help those in need, spreading compassion within their community. Together, the woman and the students dedicated their time to various charitable activities, transforming their school into a hub of generosity and support for those less fortunate. As their initiatives grew, the school became a beacon of hope, attracting attention from the local community and inspiring others to join in the movement of kindness. News of their efforts spread like wildfire, prompting other schools to adopt similar programs, creating a ripple effect of compassion that extended far beyond their small town. With each inspiring story shared, she encouraged even more communities to embrace this spirit of giving, illustrating how collective efforts can truly change lives. Her mission had transformed into a movement, as children everywhere experienced the joy of giving and receiving, strengthening the bonds of community and friendship. In this vibrant atmosphere, the woman taught the next generation the values of empathy and compassion, instilling a sense of responsibility towards their community in every child. As children shared their own experiences of giving and receiving, the woman realized that her journey had sparked a deeper understanding of kindness that would last for generations. This mural became a symbol of their collective spirit, reminding everyone that even the smallest act of kindness can leave a lasting impact on the world. As the community came together to celebrate their achievements, the bonds formed through this journey were stronger than ever, demonstrating the true power of compassion. Recognition poured in from all corners, validating their hard work and inspiring others to join the fight for kindness and support throughout the region. Empowered by their success, the children began to envision even greater projects, eager to make an impact not just locally but in far-off places as well. With every box packed and every item collected, the children's commitment to helping others flourished, proving that their journey was just beginning. In that moment, the children understood that their efforts had not only provided essentials, but had also spread hope and joy to those in need. As they took turns sharing their stories, the students realized that each act of kindness, no matter how small, could inspire others to join their cause. This fair not only celebrated their achievements, but also ignited a passion within the community, inviting everyone to participate in a collective mission of kindness. Her heartfelt words resonated with everyone present, reinforcing the idea that together they could create a legacy of generosity that would echo through generations. Through their performances, the children captured the essence of their shared mission, illustrating how fun and meaningful acts of kindness could unite a community. In that moment, they became more than just a group. They formed a movement dedicated to uplifting one another and fostering an enduring spirit of compassion. As they crafted their mission statement, every word reflected their shared vision of a world where kindness was not just an act, but a way of life. Excitement filled the air as the children rallied together, ready to take their initiative to new heights and further their impact on those in need. Laughter and joy echoed throughout the event, proving that their collective passion for kindness had created not just funds, but a sense of community. That poignant moment reminded everyone present of the real impact their efforts had, solidifying their commitment to continue spreading kindness far and wide. This snapshot represented not just a day of fun, but a lasting bond between neighbors, each person dedicated to nurturing a spirit of compassion and generosity. As the mural took shape, it became a powerful symbol of their collective effort, reminding everyone of the beauty that kindness can create in the world. With the ribbon cut, cheers erupted and the mural shone brightly as a beacon of hope, inspiring all who saw it to join the kindness movement. In that moment, the mural became more than just art. It transformed into a canvas of shared dreams and aspirations, encouraging everyone to embody the spirit of kindness every day. With every meeting, the commitment to their mission deepened and plans for new initiatives flourished, promising an even brighter future filled with compassion and support. Each act of service reinforced their bond, proving that kindness was not just a project, but a lifelong journey of giving and caring for one another. Their excitement was contagious, igniting a spark among their peers and expanding the reach of their kindness initiative within the school. As the students took center stage, the entire school erupted in applause, celebrating the powerful impact of kindness resonating throughout their community. With each brainstorming session, they continued to innovate, determined to find new ways to spread kindness and make an even greater difference. The park transformed into a hub of joy and laughter, reminding everyone that kindness could flourish in shared experiences and joy.